Once upon a time, in a lush green meadow, there was a tiny, delicate egg. Named Ella, she was about to embark on a remarkable journey from being an egg to becoming a beautiful butterfly. Ella the egg lay peacefully under the warm sun, her shell glistening with dew. A caterpillar named Clara found Ella and, with gentle care, took Ella into her home, a cozy leaf. For a long time, Ella simply rested, growing larger day by day. Clara nurtured her, offering her nourishment. Ella grew, eventually shedding her hard shell, revealing a wriggling caterpillar. Clara was delighted to see Ella transform. With a heart full of excitement, she guided Ella to a safe, secluded spot, where Ella could create her chrysalis. Ella spun her chrysalis, a silky cocoon, around herself. For weeks, she remained still, suspended in time. Clara checked on her every day, ensuring she was safe. One day, a miracle occurred. A thin crack appeared in the chrysalis, and out emerged a beautiful caterpillar, wings developing rapidly. Clara watched in awe as Ella breathed for the first time as a butterfly. With her wings still damp, Ella took flight, soaring high above the meadow. Clara cheered with joy, her heart filled with happiness for her dear friend. Ella, now a beautiful butterfly, reminded Clara and all the meadow's creatures of a precious truth, that every life, no matter how small, has the potential for extraordinary change. Moral: embrace change and growth, for it is through transformation that we find our true beauty.